Okay, today's little piece, let's see if we can just show it off as best we can, is my little feathered friend. This is my bird sculpture, or one of my bird sculptures. I've done loads of bird sculptures, all sorts of bird sculptures. It's quite weird. Anyway, this is the feathered one. It's called the feathered one because of all the little individual parts that are put together to make it. And it is a gorgeous little thing, I must admit. I brought this out because what is also possible, I'll bring my feelings out, is this is the actual sculpture, the same sculpture, but we just got a little bit of tissue paper out and just covered up with some tissue paper to make it a bit more interesting looking. What we do at the school workshops. This one's actually got a little bit of glossy spray in it to make a bit of Hollywood sheen and things like that. But it's a lovely piece. Anyway, that is today's sculpture, my little feathered bird. Beautiful piece.